Hi, friends! The playground opens soon. We have to pack my lunch before it's time to leave. Can you help me pack it? Come with me! Let's see what yummy food we have. Wow! So many yummy foods! Can you find the apple? You found it! Let's go now. Mommy! Can you please help me slice my apple? Now let's make my sandwich together. Can you tell me, what shape is the bread? That's right. It's a square. Can you spot another square? Here it is. Say cheese. Let's put our cheese on the bread. Perfect! It's time to place the red tomatoes. Can you guess the shape? Circle it is. 1 tomato, 2 tomatoes. Look at this. It's lettuce. It's green. What else is green? Think. I like green vegetables because they help my body grow strong. Ready? Let's close our sandwich together. We did it! Wow! Mommy has sliced the apple. Can you please help me choose a drink? What can keep me hydrated? Orange juice. I like orange juice. Do you? Now it's time to pack. Surprise! My mom has kept one chocolate for me. Aw, she's so nice. I love my mom. Let's put the sandwich. Now the apples. My lunchbox is packed. Thanks for helping me today. We packed a healthy lunch. See you next time.